Holy cannoli, that's bad booty. Oh, so beautiful.
You will no more be among the friends of the men, the friends of death. As the love is no
Oh, for the love of Pete. Yeah, Howl-O-Scream is bringing it this year.
Wherever I come, bad luck just comes my way. Wherever I go, hard luck is there to stay. Good luck never stays a day. Bad luck's always coming my way.
Tonight is the night. Busch Gardens Howl-O-Screams, September 25th, Media Night, our very first Halloween activity during the pandemic. I promise you we're going to be safe. Of course, this event, September 25th to November 1st, on select nights, basically just the weekends. But because of the pandemic, they are not doing hard copy maps this year. Instead, you can get it from the website or take a picture of signs like this. But basically, the entire park is Howl-O-Screams this year. There are no indoor haunts. Instead, pretty much every single place you can turn and hide is a scare zone. And this year, they have 4 new ones. Lichen Landing, the Shortcut, the Junkyard, and the Escape. But you know what? I think we're most excited about that one right there. Mainly because it's a cemetery. Lichen Landing could be really cool too. It's half tempted to walk through here during the daylight and show you all the Halloween decorations that they have out. But what fun would that be? We're here, and once it turns dark, the entire park is going to transform. Like a werewolf. Full disclosure, Busch Gardens invited us out to experience this year's Howl-O-Screams as media. The entire park has been turned into one giant haunt. And don't get me wrong, I absolutely love the Halloween events, especially in theme parks. But Jessica and I both go absolutely crazy when it comes to the merchandise.
The first pin that I found, I actually really like, but I took it off its back so that you can see it has 2 sides. It has full on one side, and then it has Howl-O-Scream on the other, and I really like that.
They have a little spooky display here for Fiends, which is the show that they have every year. Last year we really loved it. This year they're doing things a little bit differently. I think it's in an outside amphitheater. Now that's pretty clever. Fiends. And the logo from the TV show Friends. Everybody's gonna love this one. Possibly. I remember the nurses.
Of course you do.
Of course I remember the nurses. So do you. The shirts this year are actually pretty amazing, but this hoodie, in our opinion, takes the cake, so to speak. Giant spider. That's cool. Busch Gardens Howl-O-Screams. And on the back, it has, get a closer look here, all the different scare zones, I guess you would call it, for this year. Howl-O-Screams, Tampa Bay, Florida. Jessica, do you remember last year's Fiend show? How amazing it was?
Yeah.
This year, I have a feeling they're going to go even bigger and better.
Ooh, that's gonna be hard, because last year it was a little racy, I have to say.
And hilarious.
Risque. Oh, hilarious. The comedy was on point, but I'm not sure if I would call it an all-ages show, so I'm curious to know if they're gonna keep that theme being outside.
They have a long sleeve shirt here as well. It looks like a 3D printed. The fear is in your eyes, and I really like that along the arms they have, can't really see it, you can see a little bit better over here, arm bones.
Do you guys recognize this from last year? We bought this last year, and the other sets that go with it, so there's a set of 2 or 3, I think it's 3, they're a little different here. We have this one for sure, and so far, aside from that first pin I showed you, everything else is the same as last year. been overlooking as I've been watching the crowd. That's this guy. Come on, they have a Mold-O-Matic in the shape of a skull.
We absolutely love these wax Mold-O-Matics, and this one almost fooled us because there's a picture of a tiger on it, but look closely right here. Just in time for Howl-O-Screams, it's a red skull. What on earth is that, Jessica?
He didn't turn out very well, did he?
No, he didn't.
This is what he's supposed to look like.
I'm sorry. Well, let's go talk to the gift shop and see if we can get another one.
Yeah.
You know what, I don't remember this from last year. Maybe it's new. I don't know, but a sign outside of this building said, "Live music tonight, the Rolling Bones." We're gonna have to come back here and check it out. I mean, basically this is a place where you can come and eat and cool off. You can definitely feel the air conditioning. Alright, so here's the thing. It's a really hot day. We found some air conditioning, and in about 10 minutes, a show is gonna start, and we feel that this is probably a great place to open up tonight's festivities. What do you think? Yeah? I'm hoping that the band comes out in costume. I'm telling you right now, I really don't know what to expect, but the stage that they have set up is pretty miraculous. Look at this. It's a coffin. And that's a nice little touch. Little daisies underneath the coffin, basically pushing up daisies. amazing. I really had no idea what to expect. That blew me away. Talk about one hell of an opening for us, at least, here at Howl-O-Scream 2020. Let's go and see what other things we can get ourselves into. It's gonna be good. All right, Jessica, what did you think of the Rolling Bones?
I was extremely impressed, and I was pleasantly surprised. When they came out, they looked really, really good. Then the lights on their instruments started going, and I got really excited, and they played some, I feel, appropriate music for the night that, I'm not gonna lie, they looked a little young. So for them to play the older music made me very happy, because it fit the night so perfectly.
I just have one thing to say.
Yeah.
Guitar for life.
Guitar for life.
It looks like our very first scare area this year is Lycan Landing. And what on earth? That's quite fitting. That's awesome. Over here, it looks like they have somebody that's been camping and might be kind of stuck. And yep, there's a werewolf behind there. Oh, this is cool. Just walk through it. There's more over here. All right. Well, I wonder if we can see inside the window. Oh man. Oh man, it's just crazy. I dig werewolves even if they bark like a dog. What on earth is this? Now that is beautiful. There was somebody over there just now. Let's see if we can see him. Oh, I see him peeking around. They got people everywhere, just as wolves. We got somebody with a chainsaw right there, but check this out. Not entirely sure what's going on here. Let's get a closer look. Welcome campers. Build a teepee, s'mores, outdoor movie, reserve your campsite. There's nobody in there, but how cool would that have been? There needs to be somebody inside this booth, all bloodied and gutted and gored. He's hiding back there. But behind the camper, there he is. You see him? It's a wolf. Oh, he's spooky, all right. He's hungry. Oh, for the love of Pete. Yeah. Why, oh, why does it have to be the old werewolves? I wonder if he's a swearwolf. Alright, he's getting closer. I'm gonna back up. I'm getting going. Yeah. There's no campers here. Or at least there once was, but not anymore. It's just standing over there all creepy like. And of course he's gonna come this way. How close can we get to this guy? Without him freaking out and wanting to eat us. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's a good thing we're on the other side of this hedge. Yeah, it's time for us to move on. Finally, the shortcut. Basically, out of them all, this is the one that Jessica and I are the most excited to experience. So, let's go do it. Not entirely sure what's happening here, but I think it's the changing of the guards. Oh, so beautiful.
You will no more be among the friends of the night, the friends of death. As the love no
Oh, for the love of Pete. Yeah, Howl-O-Screams is bringing it this year. Look at these cemetery gates. Oh my Lord. Look at that hearse.
Please pray for it, that I may be released, that I may be rejoined with my loved ones. Will you save me, sir?
I'll try. Do you come with the car?
Save me.
Look at this thing. Look how beautiful she is. Sorry, Jessica. I gotta have the hearse. Well, she'd probably come with the hearse too. Just look at her. Oh my. This is just serene and peaceful and beautiful. Oh, it makes sense to be somebody in there.
That ye walk on! Clear your balance!
Oh my God.
Of good and evil! Strike down that evil and will approach of you! Having faith is the only thing that shall save you all!
Oh my
The
Lord.
demons are everywhere!
It just keeps getting more and more amazing. It's a burnt church.
What fear will felt?
I just want to look inside.
Becoming a dog and walk on! Do not come!
Oh, how did I miss you? You're beautiful. Oh my Lord. Oh geez Louise. Y'all know I have a thing for nuns, right? Yeah. That's just creepy.
Pray to thee, our God, this day. Blessings you provide. From ashes to ashes.
This lady over here is just crying.
This woman, O King of Kings.
Oh man. Why are you crying? You have a pet owl.
I love him.
Oh my God.
God. He's gone. Stay with me, please. Stay with me.
I'm just walking through. This, holy cannoli. Talk about just desserts. Oh, yeah, okay, you got me. You got me good. I'm not, yeah, don't jump out at me. I don't know what you are, but that was amazing. Holy cannoli. Bad booty, man, bad booty. Well, I'll say this. Something not good is happening here right now. I don't know if you can hear her, but there's a crazy lady inside that cage. Oh, brother. What on earth is going on here? Bat crap crazy.
Get me out, I'll be good. I promise. Come on, get me out.
This guy's bat crap crazy. What on earth?
Come back, come back! I want out! Come back, come back!
I think you got a crappy job. Oh God. What is in the toilet? Oh, that's nasty. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, bye. What do you have there?
She was my therapist, but I couldn't fit all of her into the laundry bag, so I took the best part. There, my baby.
Oh my gosh.
Now we're together.
I see that. You can have her. She's all yours.
She is all mine.
Jumped. Oh, you got me good. You got me good.
Want to ride my train?
I don't
Screaming good time.
I don't really want to ride your train. I have a feeling it's going to end badly.
Oh, it's already derailed.
Oh God, like my life.
Yeah, you're not the only one. Come on, it's a fun time. Let's play.
Why is she so sad? What is going on? This is just disturbing. There are just creepy people everywhere. I'm sorry, but dear, but you're creepy. You're very creepy, but yeah, thank you. You're welcome. You're so welcome. Oh God. All right, fair enough. This guy over here, I think he means some serious business. There's a whole heck of a lot of screaming going on in this part. Holy cannoli, you're bad news. And that's where the screaming's coming from. Figure that one out. That's a gift, my friend. That's a gift. Leaving Howl-O-Screams, I completely forgot they do this light mapping. On the walls. It's cool, man. I appreciate things like this. So that's pretty much about it for Howl-O-Screams 2020 for us here at the Grimm-Life Collective. Thank you, Busch Gardens, for inviting us out for this year's media night. It means the world to us. This is the last Busch Gardens that we might be doing for a very long time because we're moving on January 2nd.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
What did you think of this year's Howl-O-Screams?
I'm tired.
It's hot. It's hot. We're both tired.
Yeah.
We've been here since 5 o'clock and it's close to midnight.
5, yeah.
Yeah.
It's been a really long day. It's been an unrelentingly hot day. The humidity and the heat did not drop at all once the sun did, which is kind of a little uncommon even for Florida. So it's been extremely hot, extremely humid. So it made things a little unbearable, I have to say. And I think in turn it made it difficult for like these scare actors to keep up that energy. I loved it. I love the effort they put into everything. I think it's still a little understaffed as far as like making sure that the masks are worn properly and at all times, but in the end I had a blast. I'm just like tired, cranky, you know, like the end of the day. Yeah, so like the best thing that sounds good to me right now is bed.
Oh, we still got about an hour and a half, 2 hour drive, which is horrible, but you know, it was worth it. Last year was our very first Howl-O-Screams, and we came down for that, and it was absolutely phenomenal.
It was great, yeah.
Truth be told, no holds barred. We understand because of the pandemic that things were scaled back and things weren't going to be what they were. We were very lucky that they decided to have a Halloween event in the first place, but it was nothing like last year. Last year, they set the bar really high. This year, they did what they can, and we respect that. We really do. Did you have a favorite part?
Yeah.
It was unexpected.
It was really unexpectedly my favorite part.
The rolling bones.
The rolling bones, yeah. But at the same time, I wouldn't say that I was disappointed by tonight either. I really did enjoy just getting to be around everything and like some familiar smells and stuff, but the rolling bones ended up being my favorite part, yeah.
When we rolled in here, it was so hot that we dipped. Look at me sounding all hip. We dipped into a restaurant for the AC and we sat down and we're like, hey, there's a stage. You saw it at the beginning of the video.
Yeah, it looked pretty cool.
There was no advertisements for the rolling bones. Instead, it was all about the new Fiend show, which obviously we skipped.
Fiends.
Yeah. If you do come to Busch Gardens, do yourself a huge favor. Start your night off. Huge. Start your night off with the rolling bones.
Yeah.
You will not regret it. It was.
Well, they
it
do
was the
3
best
shows.
part. Yeah. It was the best part. I mean, don't get me wrong, we love the scare zones. They're not called scare zones here. I don't know what they're called here.
Oh, fright zones, maybe?
Fright zones. I think scare zones is Halloween Horror Nights.
Yeah. I always just thought that was kind of like a universal term.
Out of the scary areas, we'll say that.
Okay.
Did you have a favorite scary area?
Yes.
Which one?
The shortcut.
The shortcut?
Which was the cemetery.
Yes.
Yeah.
The shortcut, it was very reminiscent to the swamp one from last year.
Yeah, this was new. This was new for this year. But they put it in an area that was so close quarters, they had to send people through on a time delay. So it was a very long line to get in, and then once you were in, you couldn't take your time to enjoy it. They were kind of rushing you through, and even if you tried to slow down a little bit just to like, you know, look at the details of everything, you had people just coming through in big packs, and it was really uncomfortable because there's no distancing.
They kind of made it into a fright area haunted house.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what it felt like. You know, you stood in a line and then they rushed you through the fright area. Right. It was good. It was amazing. I want that dang hearse.
I just wish that I could actually have
more time in it.
More time in it. I felt like I had to speed walk through the thing or I was going to get yelled at or pushed out by another
car. I got yelled at a few times,
through.
thank you.
So
sorry.
I don't feel like I really got the whole experience there, even though I was able to stop a couple of times just to take like 5 seconds because there happened to be a lull or for whatever reason. I think I just didn't actually, even going through it twice, I didn't feel like I got to experience it the way you're supposed to experience it, and I feel like I still missed a part of it, or a part of the experience. But looks wise, I guess, or theme wise, yeah, it was my favorite. But I did like the werewolf zone. That was fun too.
Oddly enough, the werewolf zone, it was my least favorite.
Really?
Oh no, not my least favorite. My least favorite was the clowns. We didn't really show it, but I was more let down with the werewolves. And then we found out later on in the night, we didn't show this on camera, that most of the people that were from the butcher last year are working in the werewolf. So it was a very stark kind of thing.
Yeah.
with that being said, the Rolling Bones, the shortcut, and
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and say that one of the other really cool things about the night was the funeral procession
Yeah.
from the shortcut.
Yeah.
That was cool to see in person.
Yeah.
I don't know how
like
well
that
it
a lot.
translate on camera, but it gave me
No.
goosebumps.
It just felt like it was better coordinated than the other zones.
I got goosebumps watching the Rolling Bones. That's how good they were.
They were amazing.
I would
wanna
have
see
stayed
them again.
Yeah, when we got done and we left
Yeah.
and we did a first half of the night doing the fright areas, I turned to Jessica and I was like, listen, much respect to Howl-O-Screams, but if we just came for the Rolling Bones and left,
I've been happy.
my Howl-O-Screams would have been complete.
Yeah.
So thank you, if you're watching this, the members of the Rolling Bones, whoever you are. We love you. Busch Gardens, bring them back. Make them headliners like the Fiend show. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Wherever I come, bad luck just comes my way. Wherever I go, hard luck is there to stay. Good luck never stays a day. Bad luck's always coming my way.